we're playing a game called Film and Theatre. So they're going to perform a scene, and they've got to stay within that scene. And all the way through the game, I'm going to change the genres all the way through. So it's just going to get crazy. But I need loads of genres, like TV, film, and theatre styles of anything. So give me what you can. Emmerdale. So like a Yorkshire soap opera. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, a genre. Okay. Horror, thank you. Documentary, thank you.
Docudrama.
Oh, what drama?
Docudrama.
Docudrama, thank you. What was that? Drag. Very good. So, Panto, thank you. Nice. Musical, any particular kind? Disney musical, thank you.
90s sitcom.
90s sitcom. What area?
Thriller.
Oh, what thriller?
Detective
A
thriller.
detective thriller, thank you. So, what was that? Sitcom, 90s sitcom.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
American. Yes. American. Yeah, sorry. A 90s sitcom. We're having an American 90s sitcom. I'm the boss. Right, so. Let's talk about 5 more. Opera, thank you very much. Kids TV, thank you.
Porn.
Why did it take so long? Right, can I have a genre of porn? Yeah, we get porn a lot, so we don't really do anything the same, so we're trying to keep it fresh. We want fresh porn. Fresh porn.
Making love with male dummies.
What?
Making love with male dummies porn. It's a new one, I saw it on Facebook.
Stuart's porn involves making love, which I think is
Stuart's porn. I am going to gag
You're going to gag me, I like that as well. Put that down.
Silent film.
you. What was that?
Silent film.
Silent film.
Yeah.
Thank you. Anybody really want to see anything in particular?
Reality TV.
What was that?
Reality TV.
Reality TV, right. In science fiction. Okay, let's cap that, because I don't know if I'll get time to use all of them, but hopefully we can get them in. Right now we need a situation for them to be in, so it could be doing absolutely anything. It could be anywhere in the world. Yeah, you could be doing a horse.
Car wash.
Ooh, sexy! I like that. Car wash. Right, so in a car wash you are. So take to the floor, and when you're ready, begin your scene, and I will change it when I see fit.
Do you know what? We'll change what you've got anyway. It's coming while I'm fucking annoyed. Are you alright? No, I'm coming out. Do you know what? You're going to suggest something that might cheer her up? Yeah, that's what we're doing. Do you know what? Cheer you up. That! You didn't even react when you throw something. Alright then. I'm going to mop that off with a chamois leather there. Thanks. It's alright, maybe it'll help your speech impediment. I don't know how the brain works, but it might help. I think it has helped. Yeah, watch this.
Freeze, let's have a documentary.
Employees of the car wash take care to wash every nook and cranny of the vehicle. If the male licks the car, he gets soap on his tongue, which is a meeting ritual for the female who urinates on the 4x4 truck. The female then is on the male as it strikes her with a chamois across her face. And now foreplay really begins. Smooths the female down to get her t-shirt nice and wet. and stands back and looks at the camera to go, oh, look at those.
Freeze. Oh my god. Let's watch some kids' TV.
So, what do you think happened if Daddy's washing the car and Mummy's in the kitchen drinking wine, children?
I'd say go and help Daddy wash the car. Now, what's the important thing we all need to do before we wash the car?
Make sure you don't accept sweets off strangers.
Make sure it is Daddy's car.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, they're connected, but yes. If it's a car that just happens to be in your drive, maybe ask a parent who is not Mummy, because whether it's okay. Because if it's Uncle Stephen, she might not even remember that you're in the house.
Shall we? I think it's important, children, also to ask yourself, was it you that made Mummy cry?
If it was, best get your bucket and your sponge and clean the car. It's the least you can do, you ruinous little shit.
Horror.
Oh my god.
I recognize this car. 100 years ago, this car was in a satanic ritual for teenagers and he disappeared.
You guys are crazy. Oh, no, what's that?
Oh my God!
What are you doing? Oh, I'm just gonna get in the car. No!
Oh no, what do we do now?
You'll never get that out of the seats. Mr. Johnson's coming back for this at 4.
Wait a minute, he didn't want it inside, Valley. Let's just... Oh my God, he's moving.
Oh,
Oh shit. Have you got the old Latin book that was in there that we have to read out of?
Yes, I took it out. It was in the glove box earlier. Yes.
Donemus ongale.
Oh, wait. Wait a minute. This could work to our advantage.
Putting on a pentagram is well.
It's getting the cockpit.
Silent film. Oh, freeze. Now let's oh, Disney musical.
Oh, I wish we didn't have to clean my wicked stepmother's car all day.
yes, especially because all the water just turns immediately into ice.
Hey, maybe the birds could help us clean this car.
Oh, we can only get the birds here if we sing the special car bird song.
You're right. You start. Sure.
I love cleaning the cars, but I wish my little woodland friends would help me. And
Well, sure, why not? We can help you.
That's right. Why don't you clean the car?
We'll help you clean the car. It's what we like to do.
And I found you, and maybe you can help me find my prince.
Wait a minute, lady. Just take it over.
Freeze. You can clap if you're I am finished. No. Panto.
Are we cleaning the car?
Yes. Do you know, I'm sure there was a car around here somewhere, wasn't there?
Where is it, boys and girls? Can you see the car?
We're going to go this way around. We have a look. No.
There isn't a car
There's
here.
nothing here. They've been telling us fibs. Let's go around the front in a protracted manner. I just can't see a car anywhere. Well, sure, boys and girls. Oh, no! It's the evil car dealer from across the street.
Oh, darling, I'll give you 50 quid for it. I'll give you 50 quid for all in for your insurance.
Get out of here, honest Stephen. Real name, Bill Honest Stevens.
Boys and girls, just because this is an enchanted car with a special number plate, don't mean I want it or anything. Give me the car.
Maybe we should give the car to Honest Steve.
Yes, they should, shouldn't they? Yes, I should.
Overactor. Yeah.
Freeze. Dragon.
Girl, I wouldn't get into your car if you paid me $8,000 and did something sexual that I'd enjoy. So there.
Whatever, girlfriend. You can clean this car on my level. Yeah, clean.
Yeah.
I'm playing this car.
And maybe then you can rent a car with your 5-day growth, bitch. Yeah. It's the car ready.
God,
It's your day off, isn't it, Deborah? Yeah. Right here. It's all right for you. Thanks. You're all right. Idiots are killing us. Oh, stato hambre.
Freeze. I think this leads very nicely into some fresh Stuart porn.
Oh, I don't know. Shall I put lights on? I'll turn them off. Like it. Whatever you want. Okay. I used to be vegetarian until I fancied you. Do you think lighting's right? Oh, I think lighting's right. I don't know.
can I twiddle with your knob to find the right frequency? Ooh, is that good?
It's not working, Father. Show it. I'm stuck in the beard. If it's not working, I'll plug a different mic in if you want.
Why don't you put the mic into here while I just pick up this cable I just dropped?
Yeah, that's how it's